Hi everyone, this is Daniela Silva and today I'll be showing you the Venture at Aventura. The Venture is a 10-story boutique building located in the heart of Aventura within walking distance to restaurants, a marina, and the Aventura Mall. The building offers floor plans from 1 bedroom to 3 bedrooms, ranging from 754 to 1,422 square feet. Designed by Arquitectónica and developed by the Related Group. This is a full amenity building. Residents can enjoy private pool, jacuzzi, sauna, fitness center, movie theater, business center, and more. This particular unit is a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,412 square feet with a lot of natural light overlooking the marina. Aventura is a city located between Miami and Fort Lauderdale. It's perfect for those who like to be close to everything. You're 5 minutes away from Sunny Isles Beach, 25 minutes away from Fort Lauderdale, and 30 minutes away from Brickell. I hope you enjoyed this video. Contact me to schedule a tour.